Welcome to the History of AI in 5 minutes. Get ready to discover the journey of artificial intelligence, from its philosophical roots to today's powerful systems. Artificial intelligence might seem like a new phenomenon, but its history is much deeper than you might think. Here's your hook. AI is actually older than the internet itself. We're talking decades of research and development. We're tracing a timeline, beginning with Alan Turing in 1950 and culminating with the breakthrough of ChatGPT in 2022. It's a journey through innovation. Let's start in the 1950s, the era where the initial concepts of thinking machines were laid down. In 1950, British mathematician Alan Turing posed the famous Turing test. This was a thought experiment to determine if a machine could exhibit intelligent behavior equivalent to or indistinguishable from that of a human. The Dartmouth workshop in 1956 is widely considered the birthplace of AI as a field. It was here that the term artificial intelligence was officially coined. Following the initial boom came the AI winters, periods of reduced funding and interest in the 1970s and 1980s. Early optimism had set the bar too high. When researchers couldn't deliver on promises of creating truly intelligent machines quickly, funding dried up. During this period, the focus shifted from general AI to developing, quote, expert systems, AI programs designed to solve specific, complex problems using knowledge bases. The 1990s marked a major turning point, leading to a rebirth of AI thanks to new computational power and data availability. In 1997, IBM's Deep Blue computer defeated world chess champion Garry Kasparov, a significant symbolic milestone showing AI's potential. The rise of machine learning algorithms, fueled by increased computing power and quote, big data, paved the way for more sophisticated AI applications. Today, we are in the era of modern AI, dominated by powerful deep learning models. A decade ago, Google's AlphaGo mastered the ancient, complex game of Go, a feat once thought to be decades away. The landscape changed dramatically with large language models, particularly ChatGPT in 2022, bringing conversational AI into the mainstream. From the theoretical questions of Alan Turing to the practical application of AI everywhere, this history shows a relentless pursuit of intelligent machines. The pace of AI progress is accelerating, meaning the history we just covered is likely only the beginning of this incredible story. Now for your challenge. Look up one AI milestone that surprised you and share what you discovered.